implemented by the people themselves in keeping with the principle of self-reliance with the resources the community and a country can afford. The term appropriate is an emphasis because in some countries luxury hospitals that are totally inappropriate to the local needs are built, which absorb a major part of the national health budget, effectively blocking many improvements in general health services. So this is also impulses use of costly apparatus, procedures and technologies when cheaper, scientifically valid and acceptable ones are available. ORS packets over house to house sound pipe connections. So the public health in India. Boher commuted, Modeli commuted, Khat Singh commuted, Shirvats and rural health schemes. At village level, village health guide scheme, training local dyes and giving workers, sub-center level, PHC, CHC. Components of a primary health care. Education concerning prevailing health problem and the method of preventing and controlling them. So the promotion of a food supply and a proper nutrition and adequate supply of a safe water and basic sanitation. Sanitation generally refer to the provision of facilities and services for the safe disposal of a human urine and a feces. So the maternal and a child health care, including family planning. So the maternal health death is the death of a woman while pregnant within 42 days of termination of pregnancy and irrespective of the duration and site of the pregnancy from and cause related to or aggravated by the pregnancy or its management but not from accidental or incidental causes. The infant mortality rate (IMR) is the ratio of the number of the deaths among children less than 1 year old during a given year to the number of live births during the same year. So the immunization against major infection diseases, prevention and a control of a locally endemic diseases, appropriate treatment of a common diseases and injuries, provision of essential drugs, preventions. So the goal of the machine is to promote to the preserve to restore health when it is the impaired and to minimize suffering and distress. The goals are embodied in the word prevention. The objective of prevention machines medicines is the intractable or opposes the cause and thereby the disease processes. Level of a prevention: primordial prevention, primary prevention, secondary prevention, tertiary prevention. So level of a prevention healthcare is nursing intervention level is primary prevention, secondary prevention, tertiary reactivity prevention. So the proactivity health protection, early recognition, reveals to good health and medical. So the next is promotion of a food supply and a proper nutrition can advocate supply of a safe water and a basic sanitation